My name is Althea O'Neal, and I'm the Guest Experience Manager with the Barbados Tourism Marketing Inc. And today we are at the Critical Incident Awareness and Response Training. This training is very important to Barbados and to our stakeholders. When we think about the guest experience, it's not only involving all of the touch points from the moment the vacation is booked to the experience through the airport, the taxi driver, the accommodation, and all the attractions and so forth. But the guest experience also involve how we respond to critical incidents that occur right here at Destination Barbados. Uh, Oftentimes, quite a number of incidents happen to our visitors, and we have the responsibility to respond efficiently, to manage the situation as best as we can, to do any damage control, um, and to reassure our visitors that Barbados cares. That's very important. And so this training also is done to equip our stakeholders. We want to ensure that our tourism partners, our tourism professionals are equipped to manage these situations well, because the world is watching. There are other destinations out there, as we know, that our visitors can go to. So it has a lot to do with how does Barbados respond when there is a critical incident. So we're equipping our stakeholders in terms of from the emotional crisis support standpoint. So today we have Marlon Charles, who is focusing on that element. We also have, we work very closely with the Barbados Police Service, Station Sergeant Jamal Mohan. He is going to be addressing issues as it relates to safety and security. We have the DEM on board as well, Mr. Simon Aline, addressing our emergency response. And we also will be looking at, medical injuries and how we respond to those things. As you know, a lot of incidents may happen at hotels, on watercraft, vessels, um, at the different all areas of our tourism experience and journey. Things can happen, but it is how do we respond? Our efficiency, our quickness, those things, and that initial response really makes a difference to the outcome of these situations. So we felt that it was very important to equip our stakeholders as it relates to critical incidents in the tourism space.